It's an image I have taken to edit in Photoshop, so we will create the selection over it, take a filter there. So let's take a sketch we have into it. So there we will try to add a paint, but first we have to use that design here. So there I will take another one, add a paint for it. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video.